Kelsey with Two Structures Homes, and today I want to take you through our Addison Floor Plan here in Mustang Park. This home is almost finished, meaning it hasn't had its final clean. And so by the time this video goes to air, it'll more than likely be ready for you to come view it. It's beautiful. I just wanted you guys to get a sneak peek while I'm out here in Mustang. So come along. This Addison Plan in Mustang Park is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has a study. It is a 3-car tandem garage. The primary bedroom does have a patio access, which is my favorite thing. And this is 1,870 square feet. And it's going to be priced at roughly $370,000 at the time of this recording. So come along, let's take a look at the house. It's a pretty dreary day here in Oklahoma, but that's not going to stop me from getting out and showing you some of our houses. This Addison elevation has the brick wainscoting, the board and batten siding, and that is James Hardie cementitious siding and soffit. And you can see we do have a metal accent over here, which I love those metal accents that we do on this floor plan every now and then. And you can see that we have like a creamy color with the dark, I think it's urbane bronze, it's something like that, trim and soffit fascia. So I love these lanterns, they're so pretty. We have a great landscape here with the rock border. And this front door I haven't used much, but I really do like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, we're gonna go in. We have a keyless schlag for keyless entries. Now, like I said, this house does need a clean. So please don't mind the dust and debris that's around. I just wanted to get in here and get you a sneak peek of this house before it is live. So this is an Addison plan. Over here to our right is our secondary bedrooms. We have your hall coat closet there. This first bedroom, we have really great sized walk-in closets in the Addison. These walls are like a beige tan color with white trim and doors. We have LED disc lights with the option to add ceiling fans as an upgrade later on. Here's our hallway, secondary hallway bathroom. Now these are just the adhesives that help the installers get those mirrors on. Those will come off during the final clean. We have a can light vent to the exterior. Granite on the countertop in here. This hall has great storage space here. It's a great feature. It's a room for blankets and games. Now this here is our front bedroom. Another great walk-in closet here. This one has your water shut-off valve in here. Now we're gonna go across the hallway here to your true study. Double doors on here, and that window overlooks your front porch. On this hallway to the primary bedroom, which is here. Laundry is here, and then this way is your garage access. Here's your primary bedroom. Now, the Addison floor plan that has the option to add the patio door is my favorite version of the Addison plan, because you get the access to the massive back patio. I don't really know how to explain how huge this back patio is, but you're gonna be able to put an outdoor kitchen out here, table, lounge set, hot tub, all the great things can fit out here. It's really nice. Let's go back in here and check out the primary ensuite. Now the primary bedroom does have the ceiling fan as a standard. In here we did like a gray stain with the black granite countertops. We have black plumbing fixtures and hardware. Great linen space for all your needs in here. Water closet with the door for added privacy. And here's the walk-in shower. this was kind of an oopsie. They did this tile to the ceiling, but I think it gives it a really cool look. Just an added little detail. Now that tile's not anywhere in this bathroom, so I'm not sure why that happened, but I don't know. What do you think? You like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments below. All right, then we have a nice deep soaker tub, and we have that transom for some natural light above there. And then your primary closet is huge. That's another great feature of the Addison is the primary closet is so big for a house this size. It's so nice. Again, please excuse the trash. That will all be cleaned up soon enough. I think that was the primary bedroom. Let's go to the right and go check out the utility room. So in here we did this gray stain with a coordinating gray quartz countertop. We have room for hanging clothes to dry, and we added a window in here, which is a nice feature because if you're in here, you don't want it to be like dungeony. Also, a standard behind the utility door is our smart box there. So no one's going into any of those secondary closets to access that. Okay, now let's go check out your mudroom and your closet, or not closet, your garage. This is a closet here though. Linens. That'd be a great spot to store like your extra waters and sodas and stuff too.
Garage door open.
Oh. 3-car tandem, and what we mean by that is it's a 2-car door, but you have this tandem 3rd car. So why that is great is because if you have like a boat, you can scooch it all in there, or if you have a secondary or a 3rd car that's like your fun car, you can just scooch that in there. Or if you don't have either one of those things, that's a great spot for your lawnmower, some storage. It's really nice. We have your attic access here. That is a tankless water heater. That's your electrical box. Spinning you around here, we have your garage door opener that is Wi-Fi capable. And then this is your storm shelter cutout. So here in Oklahoma, we have tornadoes, and a lot of times people want to add a storm shelter there. Back inside the house, let's go check out the main living area. Like I said, this house does need a final clean, but it also, it had a little theft problem. Someone ripped out our range. How kind of them. That will be replaced. It'll be good as new. So please just disregard that for the time being. This kitchen is really nice and I want to show it to you. We are in the main living space. We have a gas fireplace with logs being flanked by 2 windows overlooking that back patio. We have a ceiling fan in here. Then we have a mantle. And then we have really pretty, it's like a 4x6-ish subway tile, and it's matte. You can kind of tell it's not glossy. And that matches the backsplash in the kitchen. We have wood look tile flooring in here. And then this is the kitchen. If you're like me, you're gonna love these pendants. And that's really the main reason why I wanted to show you the kitchen so soon. Over here is your dining room, and we have these 2 huge picture windows with so much natural light coming in here. Love those. Here is your main patio door. We went out the primary patio door entry earlier. Here's that space. Again, please disregard the mess. It will be power washed. Check out that light fixture, a little gold accents. Really pretty. Now in here we have the 2-tone white cabinets with the gray stain. And then we also kind of like match the countertops. You can see it has the gray countertops with the gray stain. And we have the white quartz with the white painted cabinet surround. We did this really cool sink. Some sort of like really durable material in the sink. It is white. It comes with these grates here. We did a black faucet. It does pull out. It's get another look of those pendants. They're so pretty. I think I kind of splurged on those. They're a little pricey if I remember correctly, but worth it. A little cookie sheet storage. That's where your refrigerator will go. Again, a nice new sliding gas range will go there. Thank you to the individual who stole that. Appreciate it. And then we have a great pantry here. Okay, so that is this Addison plan in Mustang Park. This floor plan again is about 1,870 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3-car tandem garage with a massive back patio. It's gonna be like 200 square feet on that back patio alone. Light fixtures in this home are stellar. It will have a gas range. Thanks for being patient with me with a little bit of a mess and a stolen gas range, but I hope it was worth it. Hope you enjoyed this home.